Hello guys, what's going on? Dr. Ambitious right here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just want to share with you guys one of the trades that I took this week. As you can see, this is CADJPY, and we are looking at it from the 1 hour time frame. And the reason why I took this trade was because it was currently playing at the support level, and I was anticipating a long back to this level over here, 87.30. And at this point here, I actually marked my area of what I like to call the demand zone. So at this point, what I was actually waiting for was I was waiting for price to break this structure, this previous structure over here, which is this long week. And after that, I wanted price to come back all the way down to this level and then buy back up here at least. But unfortunately, as you guys can see, price did not use this level. It did not respect the level that I was waiting for. Instead, it created another demand zone area here, which I really paid attention to, because sometimes price wouldn't come all the way down to where you want it to go to, because you really want a cheaper price before you get into the trade. But sometimes price wouldn't just come all the way down, and it could use an earlier demand zone, which was what happened here. So I did mark that up just in case price doesn't want to go down here. So this was where I actually entered the trade. As you can see, it's a 1 to 5 risk to reward. So let's put this aside for now. This was when I got into the trade. I think the time of the day was when the daily candle was actually closing, and usually I don't enter trades around that time, but so I was really skeptical. But at the same time, it was CADJPY. Sometimes it moves during the Asia session, so I went ahead and got into the trade, and thankfully there wasn't any weak that would have taken me out of the trade. So I got in over here, and price actually started playing out during that Asia session. It pushed all the way up here, and the following day it came all the way back down here. So let me show you guys what I did in regards to this trade. I got in over here, and my stop loss was somewhere around here. So it played out during that Asia session, and next day during New York session, it came all the way back down, and then until the market closed for that day. So when the market closed for the second day, that was when price returned all the way back to my entry, and I was actually, the price was actually below my break even. I was in some loss, but I still kept the original position, and I entered another position, with smaller risk, because I don't know why, but I was a little bit confident. But even though I exposed more risk, but I think sometimes price will just keep testing that demand zone maybe 1, 2, 3 times before it actually plays out. Or sometimes the market is just begging you or giving you another chance to enter the trade. So that was what I did. I had my first chance to enter. Sometimes if you miss your first opportunity to enter a trade, the price will actually come back for you, and then you have another chance to enter. This is a classic example of that. So I got in the second time, 1, 2, and then price finally played out on the third day. So I'm glad I was able to hold this trade. But sometimes your trade won't play out the first day you enter. Sometimes it's going to accumulate for that day, and then the second day is when it actually plays out. So this is the importance of patience. You've got to be patient when you enter your trade, especially if you trust your analysis. I think the reason why people are not patient is because they don't really trust their analysis. If you have your strategy, you have your rules, everything written down, just follow it and be patient. Sometimes the trade just won't play out the day you want it to play out, especially if you're a day trader. You want to see some movement, you want to see some results. But sometimes the best trades are the trades you actually give room to breathe. And this is a classic example of that. I gave this trade enough room to breathe, and it was able to hit my profit target on the third day, not the first day, not the second day, the third day. So it's very important to wait for your trade and let it perform, let it breathe. Don't play with it while it's moving in profit. I mean, you can, obviously when the price got up here, I was dragging my stop loss in case it wants to go against me. I was securing some profit along the way. But what I mean by saying don't play with your trade is don't be closing it and then trying to get back in, because where would you put your stop loss? If your trade was in profit, you get out. and you get back in because you want to secure something. So leave your trade, let it run, and let it explore the potential reward that it can actually get. In this case, I got a 1 to 5 risk to reward within 3 days. This is actually nice. If you risk 2% for this trade, you would have gotten 10% in 3 days. That's really wonderful. So this is CADJPY. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do so. I think I'm gonna start uploading videos like this, showing you the trades that I'm taking, and my strategy and everything like that. I'm a big supply and demand trader. As you can see, I'm marking my demand zones here. This over here was actually a supply zone. This was a trade I took. I think I took this trade earlier this week. This was a Monday trade, and it was actually a short position. It was another 1 to 5 risk to reward. As you can see, this was my entry point. I think my stop loss was over here, and I was able to get out of the trade at this level here. So I'm going to keep showing you guys my strategy. I'm going to be using this YouTube platform for that. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and there will be more videos to come. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.